Right. Hey, this song's kinda tight. I suggest you listen to the whole thing. Duplicate that stupid shit, ho nigga needs a true to his. Crying with the blues and shit, count money like we Jews and shit. Bitches coming twos and shit, yo style I influenced it. Sick with the flow like flu with it, and I don't know what to do with it. Nigga, it's a shame. You hot but got no flame, and every song just sounds the same. Wicked, wicked, wicked plain. I'm so fucking insane. I need to be detained. There's something wrong with my brain. Got a bunch of bad dames, and I don't even know their name. Lying pussies, I'm a tame. Catch me smoking, playing a game with a bitch that's straight from Spain. Counting money, make it rain. Watch me roll up all this grain. Hit it once, you feeling drained. Seeing shit you can't explain. Holy shit, is that a train? I'm the master of the crane. Give me vodka like Ukraine. I'm bombing shit like I'm Hussein. About to crash, hijack a plane. Coming death is what they say. Bitches hanging by a string. Want them diamonds all of my chain. Formed in hell like I was Cain. Fucked her once, she wants to rain. And I made that pussy sing. She called me the pussy king. I do my fucking thing. Tizzy in this bitch. You know I'm about to break. Yeah. Yeah. They wanna speak to him.
Here's my observation, fly so high I'm like a spaceship. Welcome to your destination, raping the speed like molestation. Words build up like a foundation, laying beats like they foundation. Fucking funny like castration. If I'm the cancer then you the patient. They want the one and you ain't it. We roll it up and they talk shit. There ain't a butt that we won't hit. Give us a round, we'll always sip. Tizzy one up, we the shit. We'll pop your ass just like a zit. The girlfriend's ass, take a bite of it. Then we'll act all cool, polite and shit.
Wow.
That was some shit, nigga.
Why not?
Yeah.